Welcome to Agape Education's Guide on how to register for our free consultation session through our website. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for Agape Education on Google. Step 2. Among the search results, locate our official website, which is www.studywithagape.com. Step 3. Upon entering our website, you'll find a prominent Book Now button. Step 4. Give that button a click, and it will lead you to the consultation booking page. Step 5. Here, you'll find a user-friendly form. Please provide your details accurately. Step 6. Once your details are filled in, hit the Book Now button to confirm your consultation. And that's it. You've successfully registered for our free consultation session through our website. Should you be accessing our website from a mobile device, simply follow the same steps. Thank you for watching our video. Feel free to reach out to us if you need any further assistance or information.